Mebel Expo is the largest and most influential furniture exhibition in Russia and Eastern Europe, the key annual event shaping the region's furniture and interior design market. Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event. Every autumn, it brings together leading furniture brands, manufacturers, interior designers, and decor specialists to unveil their latest collections, innovative concepts, and trends influencing the global industry. From premium designer pieces to smart, affordable solutions, Mebel Expo showcases furniture for living rooms, bedrooms, dining areas, children's rooms, and offices, alongside sofas, armchairs, fittings, finishes, and decorative accessories. More than a showcase, it is a dynamic business platform where manufacturers, distributors, and buyers connect, exchange ideas, strengthen partnerships, and explore growth opportunities. Participating offers a unique chance to discover innovations and position your brand at the heart of one of the world's most vibrant furniture markets. Mebel Expo is an event, and I like events. Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.